one of the things that you're going to experience is you keep something here, you're sure that you kept this thing here, eh? But you can come back in the next 2 minutes or 2 seconds, that thing will not be there again. Eh? Sometimes it might be you that will forget, like due to glitch, brain glitch, because you have a lot of things on your head. But most of the time, it is your children, that's if you already have children, that will change the position. Like they will change the goal post at the middle of the match. I kept Ugu fruited pumpkin. It's the room down that I kept it, where I don't expect them to even enter because it's always locked. But my brother usually use the room, so I don't really know what happened. So I don't want to conclude. Let's just go ahead and start farming because I don't have time this morning. I really need to also get to work. So this is how I found my ugu. Not too much because it haven't rained. I'm going to put water in it before I throw the ugu. I put water so that the water will help it. Ugu is fruited pumpkin. It loves water so much. That's why you see me. If I find it, I'll make sure I put enough water there. Enough. So that water can give the ugu the, the breathing space it needs. Because if not, that ugu will not grow. Let me remove this grass. This thing is yam. This one I did not farm it on. It's from last year. This one is ugu from last year that is here. This one is from last year. I didn't plant it, but it started sprouting on its own. But I told them that they should not remove that root. That root is important to me. They should leave it. When they were making the new heaps, I told them not to remove the root. It's very, very important to me. So, that's why they left it. Though most times it's good to farm in a soil that is tilled. Because once that soil is tilled, the seed will do well because it will absorb this thing easily. That's the way I'm thinking as an agric student. Okay? So I'm here now. Let me make my hole. I put enough water. I'm farming one per heap. Because ugu loves water so much. I've never seen. Okay, there are other crops like cucumber. Cucumber loves water too. So much. It loves water. Water leaf too loves water. So ugu is not as if it loves water so much. So I'm expecting that rain will fall. But if rain did not fall, the way I'm going around now, turn that in the other side. Turn the camera the other side. The way I'm going around now, turn it to face me. Yeah. Guinea. He said you're not going to school. Uza Chukwu? Uza! Prepare him for school. I wanted to take him to the hospital, but prepare him for school. See, he's crying. Leave him. Prepare him for school. Maybe by tomorrow, if he's not getting better, I'll not take him to the hospital. You hear? Oh, yeah, go and prepare for school. Go. Chidi. Chidi, have you brushed him? Go and brush him, please. Okay. Oshiso, brush his tongue, his teeth fast. It's not easy. At least if my boys are not helping me now. Before, who born me early this morning for me to be doing this thing before going? Hmm? Who born me to be doing this kind of work early in the morning before going for school run? This type of thing I'm doing. So, why I like putting for those that are at the edge, like this hip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because they can easily climb. They are climbers. So that's why I like, what is it again? Again.
Is he like looking for trouble? I'm not beating. I'm not running to mommy.
Ụzọchukwu Chidebere, ọ bụrụ ihe niile eme gị ka ya na-eti ihe biko, bikos itie m ga-agwakwa gị na mmadụ eti mmadụ ihe. Adị m etikwe gị ihe ka isheti ụmụaka m ihe, ntie gị ihe ka isheti ụmụaka m ihe, ihe ebe ezigbote akwa ọkwa ịma, ntie gị ihe ka isheti ụmụaka m ihe, ihe ebe ezigbote akwa o. Any small thing chụbụ onye a ka iti ihe, eshimota ya eti gị ihe. How many times can ntị go gị ihe? Biko. Oh yeah, upstairs, go bath. Both of you go bath. Before I finish what I'm doing here, you people are finished bathing and wearing your school uniform. So that once I just come upstairs, I'll bath and I'll take you people to school. Ngwa, osiso. Eh?
Also, no one to bring out clothes. When is his time to bring out clothes? They're telling me that you can't help him and do it. I'm saying that you can't help him and put the water.
Can't you see that he's having an attack? That I say he should nebulize himself. If you help him, what will happen? If you help your sick brother, what will happen? If you don't learn to be kind now, when are you going to learn it? Oh, so if I'm sick now, you cannot help me. Is that what you're saying? Chidi, if I'm not feeling fine, you cannot help me. Because I've noticed it. Actually, yesterday I was asking you, what are those bad habits you want to change? Is this thing you mentioned, right? That you'll be kinder, right? Eh? You said you will learn how to share, how to help your brothers. Is that not what you told me? When I was asking everybody the bad habit they will, but you're not showing me in action. If they go see me in action, Odimma. Chidi Odimma na joge. Ngwa je nyere your brother aka biko. Biko ka na yo mommy gị kịta ka ị na-enyere aka. Je nyere your brother aka biko. Ị ga-amụta na ka esi enyere nwanne gị aka. Ma ịmụta ha ka ị ga-esi na-enyere nwanne gị aka na ka ị ka m ga-esi bụ ọ bụrụ na m anwụgo nwanne gị na-ata afụfụ inwe ike inyere ya aka and ị na-afụ na arụ adịrọ ya ọ bụrụ na ọ na-egwu egwu. See, if he wasn't sick, if he wasn't nebulizing doing something, I wouldn't even tell you to go and help him. I'll go and make sure he does it. But you can see that he's having an attack. He's using nebulizer. Go and help him. Are you expecting him to finish using nebulizer for 30 minutes, then he will come and do those things? Please help him. For my sake. Pico. You know, go. If you're not going to help him, leave him. Let me leave this thing and go and do it myself. Are you going? Coco Mama, good morning. Oh, Unemo, good morning. Oh, good morning, number 2. This is what I'll be seeing today. Uzo did this, Uzo did that, Uzo did the other one. Uzo Chukwu! He said what? Gogo. Tell Chigos Rim, that's how you people have been doing. That's why he's learning it. Tell him that I'm coming. That I'm coming. This is how they will report till you are tired of doing what you're doing. God. Sometimes I used to be tired of even having the boys. But most times I used to be grateful. I have boys. I don't even know which one to. Just 1 minute. Let me farm this farm. They can't allow me to. They can't allow me to do the farming. You see this ugu I'm farming now, eh? This ugu I'm farming now. I'm going to be watering it every day until rain falls. If not, I am setting up the ugu for burial. That's what I'm practically doing. So there are some heaps here I'm going to put up to 3 because I did not farm yam. So heap like this one, this particular one, I'm going to put the ugu up to 3 because I didn't put yam. I didn't put yam in this heap because I intend putting only ugu. Ah, as a mom, somebody will suffer and suffer and suffer. Ah, being a mother is not easy. Oh. Mommy, mommy, can we even go 5? 1, 2, 3. Ugu, the spacing for ugu is supposed to be 30 centimeter. 30. So if I even put 5, they can all get 20 centimeter indirectly. Let me shift this from here. So for me, I know that this heap is ugu that I found here. So this heap is ugu heap. There's another one here. Woo. Well done, oh. Well done. In case you're wondering the depth, it's supposed to be 3 centimeters and 30 centimeters apart. But now I've already added yam in this heap. I think yeah, about 3 yam per heap here. So that's why you see me putting only one ugu. The only heap I ran ugu all through is this particular one, and I had to give it spacing to grow. So now this is the next one before I come and remove all the grass and co that is here. So this is the final heap. This is the last heap I want to put ugu. Then I'll go and prepare the children for school this morning. Well done. Well done, well done, well done. So ugu is supposed to be 30 centimeter apart and 3 centimeter deep. So like this, you can see that the depth is up to 3 centimeter. If I shift here, it's like the measurement of ruler. How far ruler? So I'll put another one here. Okay, I will shift. I'll put another one here because I want only ugu in this hip. I'm going to put another one here. Hmm? Then I'm going to put another one here. I'm done. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me go and prepare the children for school. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.